It's a matter of time. Mnangagwa's going. War veteran Blessed Geza boldly declares. Sarapina masho kubreto kopana pana bombshell Geza. Pangwa ina yachiti mtukamili wenyike Zimbabwe. Enkuru na wayungo achiti. But he is going. Sarapina masho kubreto kopana pana comrade bombshell. Zoranas 18 September and was subscribe or like out on the bed. I want to be a move down in his fiery State of the Nation address on Tuesday night. Outspoken war veteran Blessed Mesugeza, popularly known as Bombshell, took aim at President Emerson Mnangagwa and his inner circle, accusing them of bleeding the country dry. We know what we are doing. This time Emerson Mnangagwa is going. It's only a matter of time. Geza declared to a packed audience. His words met with cheers and applause. Geza also criticized what he called the looters within ZANU-PF, known locally as Rigananda, for showing blatant disrespect to Vice President Nkosazana Chwenga. They are disrespecting the Vice President Nkosazana Chwenga. This is unacceptable, he said firmly. He further warned that action would be taken to restore discipline within the ruling party. We will get rid of Rigananda. We want to restore order in ZANU-PF, Geza stated, emphasizing that the party must return to the principles of integrity and accountability. Observers note that Geza's speech comes amid growing tensions within ZANU-PF as factions jostle for influence ahead of the next political cycle. His bold statements are likely to intensify debates over leadership and governance in Zimbabwe. Ndomasho karibu panguva ino otokwa na Bombshell Geza ahead of the October conference inoonekwa kunzi kuchange kuchivezanwa, kuchange kuchigeda meno panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi the agenda muri kutoona yagara totaura pamusoro peresolution number 1 yekustenda the rule yemutungamiri wenyika pamwe chete nedrug and substance abuse. Ndomashoko aripo panguva inoi amene kuchanowiriranwa here tichiona Bombshell Geza akakriticize akati tichange tiri kweni mawo veterans nevamwe section yearmy we are going to refuse deny the exchange nemutungamiri wenyika through to 2030. Tonze mafungiro enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechitupo ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like.